Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can change the audio output of your iPhone, for example, to iPod, headphones, speakers, and more. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment at the end of this video. So, let's get started. And actually, the process of switching your phone to headphones or speakers or some other device is quite simple. And there are two simple methods, and I'm going to show you both of them now. And the first one. You'll need to swipe down from the right side of the screen to go to the control center. Then there's always this window here with the music, with the player, with what you have playing. You'll need to start by clicking on this round sign at the top. Then you'll see all the devices that you have here. For example, right now it's your phone. Next, you're going to need to either just open your headphone case if it's AirPods or if it's regular headphones. The connection may be a little bit longer, so I recommend just taking the headphones out and you'll immediately see that your phone has switched to headphones. And now the sound also changes now. It's the sound for Bluetooth. And in the same way, when you want to stop, for example, the connection, you can just put back the headphones, or you can turn off the speaker, and automatically the phone will switch already with the sound on it. And one more method. This, you will be able to go into the phone settings. In the phone settings, you find the Bluetooth section. When you turn on your headphones, speakers, or speaker, you should know the name of this device. For example, you click on the device you want to connect to. And as you can see, it connects quite quickly. And after that, you can either fold the device the same way or you can just turn off Bluetooth so that it doesn't bother you. Friends, this is how you'll be able to change your audio output on your iPhone, no matter what extraneous devices you have. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. And until next time, friends.